Okay, so I'll show you how to do the S7 frame, how to put them together correctly without breaking them using just this tape and this chemical called 3M Primer 94. Okay, so to prevent getting the LCD broken, okay, lots of people they don't use this method, they use glue, okay? So if you use this glue B7000, don't use it, okay? We don't need this, all right? So what you need to do is you need to clean all these glue out first, okay? So all these old tape, okay? Make sure they're gone before you apply the sticker, all right? After you clean the whole thing, so you clean all that, see this stuff as well, okay? You need to clean all this out, okay? This can't be there, okay? Because it'll be too thick, all right? So get a razor, okay? Get a razor. If you can. Clean all this stuff out, right? You don't need this. It's gonna be too thick. All right. So afterwards, okay, once you've got the frame all cleaned up, okay, you need to put this chemical on the surface of the frame. All right, just apply it all over. All right. This chemical, it would evaporate, okay, and it would disappear. So it doesn't matter how you put it, okay, in about 30 seconds, okay, it would just evaporate. So put it on the edge, okay, and okay, so this stuff makes this sticker and this sticker more sticky, okay? So because there's sticker here as well, we gotta apply in the middle as well. All right, so right in the middle. Now this, and that's it. Okay, let it dry, give it 30 seconds, okay? And then now you need to do this, you need to apply it on the screen as well. So apply it carefully around the screen, all right? Try not to apply it over the camera hole, not the camera hole. If you get some on the camera hole, you need to wipe it off. All right, like this. Like this. Remember, this is not glue, okay? This is a chemical that makes the sticker more sticky. All right, do it the side as well. All right, let it dry, okay? So this one's almost dried, okay? And we wait for this one to dry first. Afterwards, you put this, you put this on top first, okay? I'll show you how. So after you put it on, oh, it's this way. After you put it on, use a plastic tool like this, okay? And you push all along the edges, okay? So it sticks on the frame, okay? All right. And then after that, you can heat it up, okay? Using this, if you have, or a heat gun, okay? You can heat it up just a little bit, okay? Not too much, right? Just a little bit. And then you can put the screen on top, okay? Afterwards, if you have a hot plate, so let's just say the screen is on right now, okay? And if you have a hot plate, okay, you can turn it on. If not, it's fine, okay? And then when you turn it on, put it face down like this and put pressure on it, okay? And heat at the same time. Okay, and you put pressure on it with your hand for maybe 20 seconds, 30 seconds, okay? And that should be okay.